Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to opt for YouTube premium service on your iPhone. So let's begin. So firstly you have to launch YouTube app on your iPhone. Tap on your picture on the top right side and you should find this page. Here select paid memberships. Now since I was already subscribed to YouTube Music membership, it gave me an option to upgrade to YouTube Premium. If you haven't used YouTube Music before, you can find YouTube Music as well as YouTube Premium options here. You want to select YouTube Premium. I'll select this upgrade option. Now it shows all the active subscriptions for my Apple ID. I'll select YouTube Music. Now you have an option to upgrade to YouTube Premium, YouTube Music Family and YouTube Premium Family. I'll select YouTube Premium. And to confirm the purchase, I'll press the side button. Done. As you can see, our YouTube Music membership is upgraded to YouTube Premium membership. Now when you go back to YouTube app, your YouTube Premium membership should reflect here. It took me around 2 days to reflect it here. So just wait after you upgrade your membership and it should definitely reflect it in YouTube app. Now considering the benefits of YouTube membership, firstly you have 1 month of free trial. So you'll not be charged for next 1 month and you can cancel your subscription anytime before your trial period ends. I got 3 months trial period when I subscribed to this service, so I was kind of lucky there. Secondly, it will be built through iTunes, so you don't have to provide any separate credit card details. Then it offers ad-free experience across YouTube branded apps like YouTube Music, YouTube Gaming and YouTube Kids. Also, you can play video in the background, which is the main reason I bought this membership. You can play the video in the background while you're taking notes, browsing in Safari, chatting, doing anything that you want to do on your iPhone, and video will still keep playing in the background. It saves a lot of time for me. And then YouTube provides some exclusive content like original series and movies which are exclusive to premium members. So you can get the benefit of that. And that's all you get with YouTube Premium membership. If you have any specific questions, ask me down in the comments below. I hope you guys found this video useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.